Hey everyone, Tony Walsh here. Welcome back to the channel, and it is a cold 40 degrees. You can probably hear the wind blowing. It has been a rough week with all the rain we've had. It's actually dried out a little bit today. So this isn't going to be a product review video, but I'm going to talk about one of the Christmas gifts I got. So it is a product review video, but not a total complete one because this was purchased for me, wasn't given to me by the company. The company has nothing to do with it. They don't even know I'm reviewing this product, and so I'm not going to even say their brand name. You figure it out when you see it. But let me turn around and show you a little bit about this product and what I'm going to do with it. So as homesteaders, farmsteaders, gardeners, whatever, even farmers, compost is an important part of soil nutrition. So I've been watching people make compost for a while now, making leaf mulch, leaf mold, whatever you want to call it, and I've never done it. But every year we have leaves galore. So there's no reason that I haven't been doing that, so I'm going to start doing that. So my Christmas gift here on the back of Jackie's truck, and I've already used it at the house on our trees there, on our current house. So I have some leaf mulch, leaf mold started there. So I'm going to start here at Bless Nana's house, getting some leaves up. And what I have is a corded vacuum blower mulcher. So it serves as a blower, and it also serves as a leaf mulcher. Now, one thing I don't like is it's corded, which means it has an electric cord. I would prefer something gas operated, but if I get something that heavy, then Jackie wouldn't be able to use it, and I need to put her to work. So I went with the cord option. So let me get everything set up and let's see how this thing works. Okay, I raked this area up into 4 piles. You can still see I still have 2 left there. So I think the bag is full on my back. So I'm gonna go empty it out. And it is definitely much easier if you rake the leaves into a pile first. It's just not as much movement on your knees and feet getting tangled up in the cords. If you buy one of these, I'd recommend raking them first. So let's go empty the bag. Okay, that's what it looks like coming out of the bag. That is a bag full, and it is, see how deep it is. It's every bit of 3 or 4 inches deep, but really shreds it up. So I'm happy with this. So maybe this time next year I'll have me some good old leaf mulch, leaf mold, compost, whatever we want to call it. So that's all I'm going to show you on the blower part. I don't know if I'll show you the vacuum today or not, so you'll find out in just a few. Okay, as I said, this thing is also a blower, so it's a combination unit. So let me show it to you right here. Hopefully y'all can see me. So the bag attachment at the bottom, the backpack's already gone. Just put the tube on the end. So I'm gonna operate the blower a little bit and just show you how it works. And it works just like a regular blower. Now the wind speed up to that, I think it's 250 miles per hour if I remember correctly. And I'm not blowing it clean because this is under a pecan tree that still has pecans, and I don't want the pecans mixed with the leaves, because we want to pick these up, and it's right next to the house, so we have to pick these up by hand. So here, you know, where you can see it, it's clean here, but there's all pecans mixed in with there, so I'm just lightly blowing it here to where we can see the nuts and start picking them up. So overall, I give this thing an A+. It's a nice handy unit. So if you're interested in a combination blower, vacuum, I'd highly recommend this thing. So if you're in the market for something, I don't know how much we paid for this. It was a Christmas gift. You have to look on Amazon or your local big box store or something and see what they cost. But for what we're doing with it here, I'm pleased with it. So I hope y'all like this video. Take care. God bless. And we'll see you on the next one. You know, a while ago I said, and I raked up the 4 piles, and y'all saw that, and I said I'd recommend raking them up, but what a ding-a-ling I am. The thing's a blower. Why you gotta use a rake? So you can see I blew all this, and I didn't blow it clean again, because, you know, still got nuts on the ground that got to be picked up. But you can see there, I blew them all in a pile right there. So now all I gotta do is walk with the vacuum those up, and I have shredded leaves. So that's the end of this video. I'll bring you back when I start working on another task. Until then, y'all take care and God bless.